So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I will teach you about combined operations of integers. So if we talk about integers, it consists of two parts, actually three parts. The first one is negative integers, zero and positive integers. So for the negative integers, it's not only for whole number, but also for decimal and fractions as well. As long as the value is negative, it is grouping in negative integers. And for the positive integers as well. So fractions, decimal, as long as the value is positive, we are grouping in positive integers. So here, if we talk about combined operations, so actually in math, there are four operations that very familiar. The first one is additions, the second one is subtractions, the third one is multiplications, and the fourth is divisions. So now I just want to review for all of you guys. If you guys see additions and subtractions in the same questions later on, you guys may solve the questions from the left, from the front one. Okay, so if you see additions at the first, you solve addition first, then followed by the subtractions, because additions and subtractions, they are same. But if you guys meet divisions and additions, you should do division first, then you do addition next. If you see later on divisions and multiplications, both of them are same as well, so you see from the front one or the left one. And then for the operations in the brackets or in the parentheses, you should solve it first again. So here, I will give you the combined operations for whole number first, later on the fractions. So here, let's say I have okay, so here we have the questions is negative 3. Remember, if that one sign, read it as a negative, but for the operations, read it as a minus. So negative 3 plus 4 minus negative 5 plus 53 minus 28 minus negative 30. Okay, so here, if you guys see two signs that not separated by the number, it means don't have the number at the middle, you should times them. So here we have the sign negative and negative, don't have the number inside, right? Don't have the number between both of them, it means you need to times them. So negative times negative is positive, and then you see the sign again, right? This one, negative times negative, is positive. So the questions becomes negative 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 53 minus 28 plus 30. Okay, so here negative 3 plus 4 is 1, right? So 1 plus 5 is 6. Very good. Then 6 plus 53 is 59. Then 59 minus 28 is 31. Okay. 31 plus 30 is 61. So the answer is 61 here. Okay, so I think this topic actually is basic skills for the math, which is just additions and subtractions only, but need to be careful for the sign. Okay, so let's say we have the multiplications. Let's say I have the other questions is negative 2 plus 4 times negative 5 minus 3 plus 5 times 3 divided by 3 as well. Equals to, okay. So here we do the multiplications and division first, okay. So here we write -2. So 4 times -5 is -20, right? -20 minus 3 plus 5 times 3 is 15 divided by 3. Then we have divide here, right? So -2 minus 20 minus 3 plus 15 divided 3 is 5. Okay, so -2 minus 20 is -22. So here is -22. -22 minus 3 is -25. Then -25 plus 5. So later on we will get -20. Okay, understand? Okay, so next on we will move on to the fractions. So for the fractions, let's say I have here is 1 out of 2 times -2 out of 3 minus -1 out of 5 times, okay, I write here divide by 1 out of 25. Okay, so here we solve the times first. Okay, so 1, if the multiplications right times it straightly, so 1 times -2 is -2. Then 2 times 3 is 6, right? So -2 out of 6. -2 out of 6. Then negative times negative is, okay, later on this one, later on only. So minus -1 out of 5 divided by 1 out of 25. Okay, so it means you guys can cross, right? This one you can cross. Okay, so this one 1, this one 5. Or if you want to switch it, later on becomes times, right? Okay, let me make it easy for you to see. I choose becomes times first, yeah. So times 1 out of 20, times becomes 25 out of 1. Okay, so 25 and 5 here we cross becomes 5. Okay, so it will be same actually. So -2 out of 6 minus 1 times 5 is 5, right? Don't forget the negative here, -5. Okay, so far any questions? If you have questions, may ask in the chat, in the comment chat. So negative times negative is positive, right? So -2 out of 6 plus 5. So that one will be equals to this one 6, right? So -2 then plus 30. Is there any questions? May ask in the comment chat later on. -2 plus 30 is 28 out of 6. Okay, then we simplify, divided by 2 each of them. So 14 out of 3. If you guys want to make it become simple fractions, means so 2 out of 3. Okay, so if you guys have questions, then you guys still don't understand, you may ask in a comment later on. I will answer as soon as possible. Just feel free to ask anything. I will answer. Okay, so thank you for watching. Hopefully you guys can understand. Don't forget to like and subscribe as well. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.